One major issue in land transportation today is traffic congestion, especially in urban areas like Metro Manila. This problem is caused by several factors: the increasing number of private vehicles, lack of efficient public transport system, and poor urban planning. Roads become overcrowded during rush hours, leading to long travel times, higher fuel consumption, and also air pollution. Indicate infrastructure like narrow roads, lack of dedicated bus lanes, and poor traffic management worsen the problem. This not only affects productivity and the economy but also contributes to stress and health problems among commuters. Solving this issue requires improving public transportation, enforcing traffic rules, and encouraging alternative modes of travel like biking and carpooling.